So hello guys. Now let's try to do some algebra math. So number 1, let's say we have negative 6 squared plus 4 times 3 squared. So basically this is a integers, solving integers. So negative 6 squared will be having negative 36 plus 4 times 3 squared is 9. So using PEMDAS, we need to multiply first before we going to subtract or add na. So therefore we have negative 36 here plus 36, therefore our final answer will be 0. Then number 2, let's say we have 4 raised to 0 times 2 raised to negative 2 over 3 raised to negative 1 times 4 raised to negative 2. So what you are going to do here is to interchange the negative signs, exponent, that exponent. Let's say we have negative 2 exponent here, so we need to place it in the denominator and make the exponent positive. So wherein we will be having 4 raised to 0 is 1 times we have 2 raised to negative 2 there, then we're gonna place it in the denominator, so we'll be having 2 squared. Then yung 3 raised to negative 1 we'll be having in the numerator, as well as the 4 raised to negative 2. So you're gonna interchange them, therefore we'll be having 1 times 3 times 1 times 3 times 16 over 4. Then the final answer will be gonna simplify, so this will become 48 over 4, which is 12. Number 3, let's say we have negative 2 raised to 4 over 3 squared plus 2 squared. So if the base is negative and the index and the exponent is even, the answer will be positive sign. So 2 raised to 4 will be 16. Then 3 squared is 9 plus 2 squared is 4 squared. Then we'll be having 16 over 13 squared, which is 16 over 169. So this will be our answer for that number. So number 4, we'll be having 2 raised to negative 1 plus 4 raised to negative 1. Just like the number 2, we're gonna put here in the denominator, but the sign or the exponent will become positive. So we will be having 4 raised to 1 there. Then using the LCD, we have 4. Then 4 divided 2 is 2 times 1 is 2. 4 divided 4 is 1 times 1 is 1. Therefore, our final answer will become 3/4. So this is how we did integers. I hope you learned something.